everyone, welcome to my channel Mind Your Exam. In this video we will learn about the unique constraint in SQL. We'll also see how it is different from the primary key constraint and how you can implement this constraint or you can apply this particular constraint to any attribute using SQL on a database table. Okay, and we'll use the alter command for this entire purpose. And we'll see how we can apply this command so that our purpose is fulfilled. Okay, now coming to what is the difference between the unique constraint and the primary key constraint. Coming to the similarities first. So both the unique constraint and the primary key constraint ensure that the attribute does not contain any duplicate values. That means any attribute which has a unique constraint applied on it will have only unique values for every row, for every entity present in that table. That particular attribute will not have any repeated values. So both these constraints, whether it is the primary key of a table or whether it is the unique constraint applied to any attribute in the table, both of them ensure that uniqueness is present in that particular attribute's values. Now, another similarity is that unique constraint can be referred by the foreign key, whereas the primary key constraint can also be referred by the foreign key. So when we make a foreign key, I have shared the link of the video in which we created and added a foreign key. In that video, we understood that a foreign key references or it refers to the values of an attribute that is present in another table, and in most cases that attribute is a primary key, but it can also be any unique attribute. So what is the purpose? Why only primary key and unique attributes are referred by the foreign key? Because both these attributes ensure uniqueness of values, and a foreign key can refer to any attribute that stores unique values. Okay, so these are the similarities between the unique and the primary key constraint. Now coming to the differences. So in any relation present in a relational database, more than one attribute can also be assigned the unique constraint. That means one or more attribute can be storing unique values in the relational database table, but only one attribute will be treated or will be assigned as the primary key of that relation. So any table in a relational database can have only one primary key, but it can have one or more attributes that are having unique constraint applied on them. The second difference is that an attribute that is having a unique constraint applied on it can store or can contain null values, but a primary key cannot contain null values. Okay, so these are the similarities and differences between the unique constraint and the primary key constraint. Let us now understand what is the syntax of applying the unique constraint in SQL. So the table on which you want to apply the unique constraint, you first write down the keywords alter table followed by the name of the table on which you want to apply the unique constraint to an attribute. Now, how are you altering the table? You are altering the table by adding a unique constraint, and you are adding that constraint to a particular attribute. That attribute's name is mentioned here. So you write the name of the table to which you are applying the changes, and you write the name of the attribute to which you are applying the unique constraint. Say for example, we have a guardian table which contains 4 different attributes. Here the GUID or the guardian ID is already created as the primary key. I have mentioned that and shown that how to make it a primary key in the primary key video, which is shown in the description as well as on the right hand side top corner. Now we want to assign the G phone or the guardian phone number as a unique attribute. That means we want that the phone number values of the guardians should be unique for every student. So how will we do that? To do that, we will apply the above command, alter table, the table name which is the guardian table, and add unique constraint to this particular attribute of the Guardian table. So I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries or you want to study any particular topic related to SQL or any other computer science or management subject, let us know in the comment section below. We'll be trying our best to resolve your queries and make videos on the topics requested by you. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video. Mind your exam.